I go.
YouTube, we on our way. Somebody need a starter, put on their car. You know what I'm saying? And what's the motto? That's right. We're gonna turn down nothing but my color, man. So let me go ahead and knock this out real quick. It's about to be a simple, quick and in and out job too. Yep. Alright, y'all, we out here with this Cadillac truck. Just got the battery loose. We're about to find out what bolts is on the starter real quick. I got shit to do. I ain't got time to be fucking around. Really don't even want to do this shit. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, YouTube. Nope. Ain't that. Let me fucking grab this shit real quick, man. So we get on about our business. Hold on, I'll cut y'all back on. It's only 2 bolts, so let me cut y'all back on. Alright, the bolts, I used the 13. And the little screw on the back is a 13, and the littler screw is a 8. So I got the old one off. About to put the new one on. Get the fuck out of here. Quickest 15 minutes, making money as ever.